Dear viewers and my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to pick up another lesson from the textbook of English, class 10th. The title of the lesson from prose section is Papa Cheese Moth. It's one of the famous articles that Arundhati Roy, one of the greatest writers, famous writers of India, it's basically a book, and this is the extract from the same book which has been included in the textbook of class 10th. Before we will discuss about this chapter, Papachi's Moth, we will be throwing light upon this great writer of India. To a large extent, she has been frank enough, she has been unbiased towards some burning issues that are prevalent in India. She is an extraordinary woman, excelling in the field of literature particularly. Arundhati Roy, her full name is Susanna Arundhati Roy. She was born on 24th November 1961 in Shillong, Assam. Now it's the part of Meghalaya, India. She has been a writer, an essayist, and an activist, human rights activist. She is from India. Her notable works, important works of literature include The God of Small Things. This is the famous book of the writer. She has successfully won certain awards like Man Booker Prize in 1997 for the same book, and then Sydney Peace Prize in 2004. She was born in Shillong, Meghalaya in India. When she was 2 years old, her parents divorced. जब ये 2 साल की थी तो इनके वालदेन अलग हो गए, तलाक हो गई. एंड शी रिटर्न विथ हर मदर एंड ब्रदर टू केरला. उसके बाद मेघालय से केरला चली गई जहाँ उसका नानियाल था. She joined schools like Corpus Christi, Kottayam, followed by the Lawrence School, Lovedale in Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. She then studied architecture at the School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi. तो दिल्ली में इसने इंजीनियरिंग में डिग्री हासिल की है. She wrote the screenplays for In Which Annie Gives It Those Ones. This is a comedy film which was released in 1989. It's a film that narrates the funny life of a student studying architecture in the final year of his college. Roy attracted attention in '94 when she criticized Shekhar Kapoor's film Bandit Queen, based on the life of Phulan Devi. So, this Bandit Queen is a political drama, and this legendary character Phulan Devi faces sexual abuse in this sad film, and Arundhati Roy has been criticizing it for this reason. So, this God of Small Things, this captures her childhood experiences in M&M. These are actually her own experiences. It received the 1997 Booker Prize for Fiction. It was listed as one of the New York Times notable books of the year for 1997. It had the 4th position on the New York Times bestsellers list. Arundhati Roy is known for making a lot of contributions and sacrifices for the society. He has devoted herself mainly to non-fictional writings and political activism, as well as working for social causes. She's the spokesperson of the anti globalization or alter globalization movement. Anti globalization is a concept that opposes the increase in the global power and influence of business, especially multinational corporations. एंटी ग्लोबलाइजेशन से एक ऐसा तस्वुर है, एक ऐसी सोच है जो मुखालफत करती है जो आलमी ताकतें और बिलखसूस बिजनेस एरियाज़ में आलमी ताकतें इसमें अपना पैसा खर्च करती हैं और मल्टीनेशनल कॉरपोरेशंस अपना पैसा खर्च करके पूरी दुनिया में कस्टमर्स को सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से गुर्बत ज़्यादा बढ़ती है. शी आल्सो criticizes alter or she supports alter globalization. Alter globalization is a concept that is based on various social movements that seek global cooperation and interaction to resist the negative social, political, economic, and environmental impacts of the contemporary neoliberal globalization. ये ऐसी समाजी तहरीक है जो चाहती है कि ग्लोबल लेवल पर एक कॉपरेशन और इंटरेक्शन और इतिहाद का माहौल पैदा हो, जिसकी वजह से ये जो ग्लोबल मल्टी नेशनल कॉरपोरेशंस हैं इनका जो मनफी असर है समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती और माहौलियाती जो एस्पेक्ट्स हैं उन पर, तो उस पर बात की जाए और उस पर कॉपरेट किया जाए. और दे एक्चुअली speak for the promotion of alternative forms of globalization based on values of democracy, global and social justice, environmental protection and human rights. तो ये जो लोग हैं जो एंटी ग्लोबलाइजेशन और अल्टर ग्लोबलाइजेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, वो चाहते हैं कि जो ये ग्लोबल कॉपरेशन है इसमें जमहूरियत के उसूल और समाजी इंसाफ, माहौलियाती तहफ़्फ़ुज़ और इंसानी हुकूक की बात भी की जाए. Spokesperson of the anti-globalization, alter-globalization movement and vehement critique of neo-imperialism. Imperialism, you all know that it's the subjugation of weaker countries, but nowadays neo-imperialism is in practice, which means using power and influence to dominate smaller countries. She has been a vehement critic of neo-imperialism and of the global policies of the United States. Then again, she has talked about Sardar Sarovar project. This is a concrete gravity dam in Gujarat on Narmada River. This dam fetches water to four major states: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. They receive water and electricity from this. So she has criticized this Sardar Sarovar project because it has affected the local population, the ecosystem, and their living standards. She has also been a great supporter for Kashmiri separatism, Kashmir freedom fight against India. She has also criticized Israel and she called for a cultural boycott to apartheid Israel. She called it apartheid Israel because she could see that the conditions of Palestinians is worse than the blacks of South Africa. Then she also talked about, she criticized the allegations that were leveled against some innocents about 2001 Indian Parliament attack. She criticized the government version of this very incident. Then she talked about Muthanga incident. It's a famous incident wherein police fired on Adivasis tribal clans in Kerala in which 5 people were killed on spot. This episode took place in 2003. Then he also criticizes India's nuclear weaponization. He said, "We want a nuclear free world and there should be no race of arms throughout the world." She also criticized 2008 Mumbai attack and the allegations that were leveled against innocent people again. She criticized Sri Lankan government. She said that the situation in Sri Lanka is extremely grim and Sri Lankan government is committing war crimes against LTTE. Though she is not a supporter of LTTE, yet she talks about the human rights violations. She has views on Naxalites and she believes that it's the oppression and the depression that force such people to rise against the state governments. For these opinions, for these viewpoints, she was leveled sedition charge, particularly when she attended a conference with Saeed Ali Shah Gilani and talked about the Kashmir separatism and Kashmir independence struggle. She criticized Anna Hazare and she said that he's not secular. She spoke against the secular credentials of Anna Hazare and alleged that he supports Anna Hazare supports Gujarat model of development, and she least talks about the injustices that were done in Gujarat in 2002 by Sri Narendra Modi, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat. She has been criticizing Narendra Modi for his policies and the political activism. So, for these reasons, Arundhati Roy has been in news for a lot of time. She was awarded the Booker Prize for her novel The God of Small Things. She won the National Film Award for Best Screenplay in 1989. The comedy movie which I earlier talked about, in which Annie gives it those ones. In 2002, she won the London Foundation's Cultural Freedom Award. In 2003, she was awarded special recognition as a Woman of Peace at the Global Exchange Human Rights Awards. Roy was awarded the Sydney Peace Prize. In January 2006, she was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award, a national award from India's Academy of Letters, the Algebra of Infinite Justice. In November 2011, she was awarded the Norman Mailer Prize for Distinguished Writing. Roy was featured in the 2014 list of great writers. One of the famous quotes of Arundhati Roy, which is famous throughout, is that stop being afraid of what could go wrong. जो भी गलत होने वाला है, जो भी ख़राब होने वाला है फ्यूचर में, अभी जो हुआ नहीं है, लेकिन जो भी आप जिससे डर रहे हैं कि गलत हो जाएगा, ऐसा आप मत कीजिए एंड स्टार्ट बीइंग पॉजिटिव अबाउट व्हाट कुड गो राइट। इससे बेहतर यह है कि आप ये सोचना शुरू कर दें कि अब ये होगा, ऐसा गलत होगा, ऐसी नाइंसाफ़ियाँ होंगी, तो आप ऐसा क्यों नहीं सोचते हैं कि ठीक क्या होगा, अच्छा क्या होगा। सो बी पॉजिटिव ऑलवेज, दैट विल हेल्प यू टू ग्रो इन ए फ्री environment and that will have good impacts on your intellectual and social living. I think this was a brief discussion about Arundhati Roy. We will be talking about the chapter that's in the textbook in the next video. It's enough for today. Thank you very much.